Hello everyone. Today I will present you a software. It's called PCB Solution. Before I start to present the software, I just want to make an important highlight. This video is not sponsored. I buy it myself, so I will present how do I want, not as a sponsored video. This is the software. It's called PCB Solution. It's created by Mobile Center Lab. It's from Peru, a company. But until I show you the information regarding the company and the cost, I want to show you the software, which is working only on the server. So this is my account, the key. Okay, I have a unlimited account. Normally you will buy and you will pay a year fee, but because I pre-ordered the software a couple months before release, I got an option to have unlimited. The software was just released 3 days ago. Today it's 21 December. The software was released only on 18 December. It's the server version. So after we selected the plugin, we have ECU Bosch Siemens, the pinouts which are in progress, ECU from Magneti Marelli from Fiat. We have a few information regarding relays, pinouts, ECU CMOS. So for example, if I selected ECU CMOS 3.3, I have the hardware. As you can see, we have a lot of information. Signal, RAM, the flash chip. This is the power supply MOSFET, the controller for the immobilizer, the AC chip. We have here the 12 volts. We have the canister. It's looking like this for beginning. It doesn't have a lot of ECUs, but I talk with the creator. It's open. I send also a lot of information, and it's open to add. And in near future, also users can create this type of information and to be available for everyone. So I think the project overall, if it will continue, it will be a nice project. For example, I open the Bosch Marea ECU. We have ignition coil. Software, it's in two language, uh, English and Spanish, because the creator it's from Peru. We can see the hardware. We have it here, voltage IC, idling throttle driver IC. Let's see what we will have. Hardware. Of course, the label right now it's missing, but it's in continue working and updating. Let's open a Med 74. So we have also the throttle step motor, which is disused, voltage, ICs, will be great in future if measurements can be added in different points, the value of some components. But until then, the start it's looking very good from my point of view. I will at least me personally, I will try to support the project with the information I have and build a good database, because from what I saw in the automotive area, it's really missing this type of software if we compare like the mobile phone area or the tablets area. Let's see what we have else. Okay, processor, multi-driver. Let's see a Nissan, what we have here. Okay, this is good information. Front oxygen sensor heater, rear oxygen. This is the software what it's currently available. Pinouts, it's have only a pinout, but in future I think we can build something nice. Okay, let's return regarding the cost. The cost it's not visible. It's an annual license. It's also stated here the ECU option was released only on December. This is the official website. Let's see, car electronics, sensor circuit, it's released. Okay, car electronics, sensor circuit. We have this ECU, Hall effect sensor, VCC. Voltage difference. Right now, there are not many comments or internal information, but I'm sure uh, by time it will have. For example, this is how the light system is working. Car battery, we have a relay, we have the lights, the ground, cooling. I missed this part. How a cooling system it's working. It's very interesting. Let's see. Regarding the common rail, ECU signals. I don't know what is the current price because when you click on buy now, it will send you to the PayPal page. But you can always contact them via WhatsApp and they can give you a price. What I can tell you about my software, I paid $79 for lifetime, but it was only during a pre-order with couple months before. I think now it's $99 per year. I'm not sure, but always if you want to buy it, get in contact with them. I will provide the link in the description also. It's anywhere on the screen, as you can see. This to protect for the pre-screen and copyrights, because they did a lot of work to create this software and they working hard to create a nice database. I hope you like. If not, at least it's good to know it exists something, and maybe in future it will get bigger and bigger with the database and information which is present. I really wait for the option to be open for me in order to can edit and propose data to be added in software. This is taken in consideration. So all of this has been said. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, share to anyone else who is interested regarding this software, and see you next time. Bye bye.